business for over 40 years, specializes in transportation planning and design. Thanks so much for being a lead sponsor of the parade today. Next up is our Round Rock Fire Department Pipes and Drums Band. The Round Rock Fire Department Pipes and Drums is a group of local firefighters that have learned so that they can assist those fallen in the line of duty and during celebrations. Here is your local Round Rock Fire Department Pipe and Drum Band. Be on the lookout this year for events where you can see this band play. Visit us on Facebook and Twitter for more information, and they want to say Happy 4th of July.